Alright, g'day guys, this is a Samsung front loading washing machine, Eco Bubble. There's a model number there, but I think the latch is pretty similar on all the front loaders, so couldn't open the washing machine, or not very well, and when I took the latch off it snapped, so here it is, the other piece. Anyway, I'll show you quickly how to take the latch off and replace it. So firstly, you've got all these screws. Take the screw holes, you can see them, take them all off, and then you just need to prop the front off. If the front is a bit stuck, you could push something through one of those holes to push it off, but otherwise the front should relatively just come off. So then here's the mechanism. You can see there, I've put in the new one, but I'll take it off and put it back on so you guys can see. So now it's working, but previously it looked like this. Anyway, picked up this new one from RQ Electronics down in Springvale. 12 bucks for a brand new one. Someone else quoted me 3 weeks and $45, so RQ Electronics it is. Anyway, just a moment and I'll show you what we need to do. So firstly, you can see that this is spring loaded, so there's a spring there. This pin needs to come out, but it's pretty tight because of the spring, so we just need to release the pressure on the spring. I'm just going to pull that out. These two hands. There we go, so spring's off. Now, pin out. And with the pin out, spring can come out, latch can come out, and that can come out. I had my broken one was here, so we had a broken piece in there and that in there. So I'm just pulling that out, take this broken piece out, put the new one back, the new one in, start with a pin to put it back together. So pin in, you see that just slipped through, so it's just reverse order of everything really. Shuffle that through. Here's the latch coming through the back. Alright. Straighten it up a little. Pin's going in. There we go, so the pin's in, so we know that's on. Put the spring back in. It's probably easy with the door off, but so simple that I'd say it's hardly necessary. That's it. So, spring back on. Everything's in there. And then it's just a matter of putting the front back on. I'll put the screws on in a second. You don't need to see me do that, but let's see how it works. See? Washing machine can be closed and open. Beautiful. And look guys, I work in an insurance company. I'm no mechanic. This stuff's easy. Do it yourself.